My first brand new car. If I lie, make I die. Now he used to study. Take practice. I paid the money for him to do his driver license. I started his life for him. After I have now given him a driver license, after I have given him a child, after I have given him a document, after I have already...
No, listen to our own. More listening to this woman because you know say with the use of make parable say when something happen, where resemble your own, you go take and make a parable. You understand? Any aya is zero. You understand? So now they try to do so. So make we listen. This woman will not listen to.
You use my father shaft to get the king. After I don't born for you finish, you go bring virgin from Nigeria, and then automatically the bell is back, and then I will come and share my pekin with the girl when you bring from Africa. Say me I stupid. Say me I be mumu. So now me go come and share pekin after I've given you document, after I've given you driver license, after I've brought your sister. Do everything to make the marriage work. Now you don't find better girl. You don't born for you. You now want to make the relationship stay together. You will now go kill me like this. Before me, I will agree. You made a choice. He made a choice. He made a choice to bring the one from Africa. Love that one. Change that one to become your daughter. Tell that one to have a female kid for you. But as long as I live, you have made your decision from the onset. You have made.
Thank you very much, King Mother. Thank you so much, my lovely sister.
Deja is your. Why not just change her name to documents?
Please, power tap, please.
Name to documents. When he came on that platform that day, why didn't he talk all those things? I did not want to. There are so many. 2 weeks and 3 days he got his documents. While we were there, he don't already bring another woman from Libya, through Libya. He get his girlfriend. He deal with me.
Talk this woman.
They stand against women. Okay, when the men are using the women, when they are using them at that particular junction, they are good. After they have sucked us like an orange, they can now speak whatever they want. The woman is bad. The woman is evil, and you as a woman, you go believe. You believe. So listen to this part. I'm the one helping this man now. Her own stepdaughter. I am the one helping. Okay. The last time they were with me, now my clothes I give these children wear. My own clothes now I give the daughter wear. You came all over from Nigeria. You could not tell the man, say, please, no matter what, why you were with your white woman, she was advising you or supporting you to support me and my daughter in Nigeria. Please, no matter come rain, come sunshine, try your best to still support her to take care of this girl. No matter. Me, I don't do that. Your ex, whatever you guys did there, we must continue with the children. We must take care of the children, even though you have problem with your ex-husband. That is your ex-wife. You don't want her anymore. I can understand. But for the kids that both of you produce, we must, both of us, it concerns us, both of us must take care of those children. Both of us must take care of those children, financially and otherwise. If it takes me to kneel down, I will kneel down just for the man to start having access. Because I know that heartbreak is not easy to recover. It's not easy to recover from. Now you they enjoy, since 4-5 years, you they enjoy. This girl, if you know what they are going through, if you know what this woman, this white woman, they finish this white woman, they finish her, if you know what they are going through. If you know what this white woman is going through, I am the one support. You guys know her. When she come, you will still know her. Okay. She was here the day before yesterday. She did life with me. The children they were with me for how many days? I was the one taking care of the children for how many days? Do you know what this woman is going through? We made a video the other day that she lost her apartment. You guys thought it was a content. You just use, it doesn't matter, make it white, make it black, you always suck them. All we know how to do is to useless them. Then you when settling the matter now, like when going out of the marriage, you will not do it amicably. You will not be nice. You see, when was that? When was what? Let's listen.
I would want to be 17 years by May 29. So
okay, the year and wait.
So after 12 years, now I carry.
Let's go back to Mama.
Because he gave very short. with the baby mama we meet for Austria.
The baby mama is my friend.
Baby mama. Mona they see amo. Mona they listen waiting lead to the deportation of this woman. And why the husband, they even they look for her. And the husband go prison. Mona they listen.
Most of 21 days, when my husband travel go Austria. Like this my first child will be 17 years by late 29. So after 12 years, now my husband can carry me.
Thank you all so much for the power tapping.
On our arrival to Austria, they say, oh, my husband get case for Austria, say he need to go prison for 5 months. So because of that one, they don't give us the
why you not tell them no get the reason why?
4 months visa will take on because the family reunion visa that we
you don't want to come.
The 4 months will come now, before expire now, come to take lawyer to fight the case and everything.
Take lawyer to fight which case? When you are not paying child benefits, you dey take lawyer for Austria woman, even though na black self. See, I'm waiting man fit do for that country, not be Austria. Austria is a very tight country. I keep on saying it. So let's listen. More continue to the listing.
Listen to story. No, the
guys are listening, right?
What's happening here? So what's the power for me now? What's the show love?
Now just go there because we need money. We not go talk truth. And not the way go put a platform. Where you go to support una? When people you go to beg people to support una. Una want use them take turn to bad person. Because now they tell truth. Now they tell them truth. This is nonsense. Because then why I no geni? Why so ni ya to a platform okay? Now so go to a punish una one by one when I have you go no what? Because why tell us on the tell truth? Why you be react you not done? Why yes so okay yak ba? Who that got to woman? No statistical boy people. Now not tell the truth. Now can't they lie because of small money.
The money my husband they work. They usually pay lawyer. They do for na they do for stuff. They usually pay lawyer.
The man get money more than not possible. The man get money well.
Few months later, about 2022.
I go tell now the 30s where this man use for Austria. Austria they live. I go tell now the 30s where they use.
They come arrest my husband, say he need to come serve the prison. Then I don't already get my second child, who be 2 years and 6 months belly. So a month to when I want back, 3 weeks to when I want back, then they arrest my husband.
Now they are
serve the prison. Before my husband come from the prison, I could already born. My baby was married at 4 months. As my husband served the 5 months prison finish, Austria said they need to carry and go and they need to deport him. They can't carry him for not to because they see passport. If they work for Vienna, if they work for Forabek. So when they travel, they
Forabek wait for the work. When they work for hours job, you not do it. That be Austria with they. When they work that site. And car business, they give her money, woto. Are you okay? You wanna sleep with me? You wanna sleep with me? For the country where they?
Document a girl of federal citizen, which is 5 years resident.
Not be offered. You not even see. You not go school. You say you go school. You not even sabi speak German. Dutch you not sabi speak. Offending that detail. Offend that detail. Yeah, you offending that detail. Offending that detail. Eh, skuma jo yes, skuma mo yo wa we to wo wa. Eh, to lu you not the petas. Wa we to wo wa sister that for muke we bore. Muke Nigeria of your figure komu. Why you wa dey of here?
Resident permit.
Who give am? Work our documents. Documents they work the passport. Let me possibly if they bring us come first. So then they buy a ticket and everything. On their way bringing because they say they leave us in the African and go and say get court case. So they come start to do the court case. They say also because they lie they must carry and go us. They come out from the prison now. They come and one day they open the prison. They say go us. That's it. I don't know if the case never finished. They come out now. They come apply documents for now.
Make yourself visible, guys. Make yourself visible.
I have every proof. Even the visa when I take home, the Austria family reunion, I have the proof. Everything still there. So that's why you can't say apply for. They can't give my daughter 1 year. They just give my daughter 1 year. But 3 months later, police letter come. Say may come. That's why I take follow and go police station. Which police station? And they say we had the car, we pass because
the season Austria not God.
we resident permit, don't bring the resident permit. That's what they take collect the resident permit from her.
Make yourself visible, guys.
My daughter get document. They say okay. Since my daughter get document, they don't get anything what they want to do. Not knowing they get planning on that thing. They say we get lawyer we there because they fight the case.
Lawyer no fit fight am.
Okay, lawyer no fit fight the case. So continue rest. I can't born my second child, which is my son, my last born now. As I born my son, which is like that, my son.
Please share the video. Share the video. I'm going to open this whole thing to you.
My husband don't sit for the country. He dey work. He goes school too.
So my people, now the woman just the talk. When I see all the things where the woman talk yesterday, she not talk the truth. When I know what happen for this case, everything when me bear talk, though me bear not just finish the talk. Not truth. This man, he get Oyibo where give her documents. Oyibo born one daughter, Austrian woman born one daughter for him. When I know say that feel say they're wise. It gets some country where you for try that nonsense. Not be this thing don't make them deport many men for this Austria. Say you want siphon their women, collect documents. After 2-3 years, you don't come out. Many people when do marriage with Oyibo, when marry Oyibo, 3 years, they don't get their 5 years, they run. My brother, they face calamity. They don't go talk and come out. So what happen? When I see this woman, where picture there, so when they deport from Austria, her husband get Oyibo. Oyibo born for her. Now the Oyibo give her doku. He never even reach anywhere. Now so the man cut paper with Oyibo. He go carry his wife from Nigeria and the daughter where the wife fell from. Now they give the document. He carry the corner. Normal. You understand? Since he not into marriage, you know, again, or he not into marriage, they will give him. They go grant him. They can't grant the family come. When they carry this woman, when the husband carry this woman, and the pikin come before he even carry the come. No, as he just separate with your Igbo, now he go carry his wife and his daughter come from Nigeria. Meanwhile, he was not paying child benefits. As in, we call it alimente here. The man not they pay alimente. As the man carry his wife and his daughter come, una know what he call they do? Una know say maybe I talk one thing just now, say he can't go they do car business. That car business, that work where this woman thought say her husband they work for a beg. Now 4 hours. And at that 4 hours, now go show to government say, now 4 hours that they do, I know if you pay alimente, government go they pay. Say then government will try and say, may you put hours, join hours, at least even on a small team that they collect, he have to be paying the money to the daughter. You understand? Then, when I know what they do, as you only do that 4 hours, he just relax. And then they do car business, and that car business is not registered them. Because the car business when they do so, now Austria there, I know what they up. Now just to carry motor, after he close from the 4 hours job, you go your carry motor, enter inside village, go the share card for motor, any motor where see go your. Now I make for Austria, if you there for Austria. If you reach some kind of village, if you reach Park maybe in a market Park or any Park, you go you they see card for different freight motor. You go you they share and they go. And that business, that car business what they do, if he puts card for 500 motors, if he put the card, and that card now they print them, now printing this thing they do for them. Now illegal. But some of them, they register them. Some of them not they register. Why be say some of them not they register? Just because of this kind of situation, because they don't pay child benefits. You feel me? So, if you share cards for 500 cars in a day, at least 10 will come out for inside. And when they will call her, maybe they feel call her for Toyota. No matter how that Toyota go hold reach for Austria, na still hot cake for Nigeria. Arabo, mostly for all this Arabo country as well. Na hot cake. So the owner of the car will call her and say, you put card for my car. You want buy the car? You go say, yes, how much? What will be the auto stand? blah blah blah. The owner go tell her. He go say, wait, the owner go tell her say, because the money he go take go destroy the car. He go tell her say, no, you give me money, just carry. I bet on mute. So I go say, just give me €100. That car where he buy for €100 or €50 or €150, he go sell her for a rabo for 3,500. That's why I tell you make their money. So that one I'm waiting. This is my husband they do. Mama, my brother, make you mute now. Be able to drop off for me.
Hello, Mama, if you like, they no quarrel toto. Ogbe comment we see. Or when no opinion. No. Yes, it's 18 now. Okay, go back. When I go, if I bring you come, go my sister. Go make Tina, let me help you. But me, I fair talk before you start to your fair mute. Me, I fair tell you what your husband do, what to make them deport you. Tina, call your you click a follow, you follow. So mute. Everyone here. So the thing be say, now so the man not continue to pay child benefit. May you wait, my sister, wait.
Hello.
Mute. Hello. Where mute you do? Hello. Mute.
Mommy, now we need time. You make us boom and then you want to you go fear your one.
What you want talk? Okay.
Sister Ivie, well, man, me one was so wa. Yeah, to measure any run. He can't call you when for a very long time. I measure any run and they go. When so why you was so wa. So therefore, Evan Utana, sorry to say, even no mama, we no matter. You may do get a
Mujale, wait, may I ask you a question before you land? Wait.
Monya story, Gumene story, me, or what? Loud, me get a story.
Okay, the story wait.
This they get correct impression Nuta we borrier a beno woman very liar. Is your more idea with family reunion visa? The mother is a passport holder.
Okay, was he pay child benefit or no?
Madam Mudiana,
Pidgin English, did they pay child benefit or not?
My husband was paying child benefit till when the issue started. It's a story no my sister Ivie because my big here where but so they make
Pidgin English maybe for the year.
My mother-in-law was the one that brought my husband to Austria 2009 with family reunion visa. My husband was 17 years when he came to Austria. And number two, my husband went to school in Austria up to C2. Ask anybody in Graz. Till C2, my husband speaks Austrian, he speaks the dialect. And number three, my husband has 2 beruf in Austria. He's a welder and he's a verkaufer. My husband is not a car dealer. My husband has never done anything like car dealer.
You calm down. May you calm down. You don't they talk. May I ask you a question? I know they like him. Wait, you know they talk since, right? Not be quarrel. Your husband was a verkaufer, right? Your husband was a welder. Wait now. Your husband get the roof. May you listen. What happened when they come deport you and your children? Why?
Madam, hold on. Let me explain to you. Now me get my story. Nobody get my story. Now me carry myself come out for social media.
Why they deport you and your children?
Madam, you wait. When we were narrating, see now, when no say explain
because maybe know your baby mama, your husband, baby mama.
Mama, maybe they grat there. You know my husband so well. You know my mother-in-law. Okay, my mother-in-law not be person they don't know for Austria. Okay. So this one, the Oyibo we born for my husband, we lie against my husband, we make my husband go prison. The husband now still lie against her. The husband don't rock more for Austria now. I'm telling you now.
Okay.
The husband wait because of her. Wait, go to see. I am the first wife and only legally wife to my husband. I met my husband when I was 16 years. My first daughter,
we are not talking about that. Was your husband paying child support?
Wait now. My first daughter was 5 months and 21 days when my husband entered Austria.
Okay.
When my husband got to Austria, the mother brought him with document. As my husband reached us, my husband was supposed to be a passport holder, but Austria give my husband 1 year because it was meant a year plus to complete 18 years. They're not giving a passport. So my mother-in-law don't fight town so that me my husband get passport. From there they give him 5 years. My husband was due for passport. My husband don't even get 5 years resident. My husband I carry that girl come from Slovenia, give her medicine. That girl not get one thing we do for my husband though. I'm telling you the fact.
When they go court, they can't go take lawyer. The woman no fit work. May you see, and a woman we don't there for this country. He said that 6-7 years. She never work. She dey do it for herself. Voila, they don't.
You get one question. You get one question when
you know how many people husband carry come from Nigeria to Austria? How many they don't deport? Monday Asuke, wait, they do. Wait now, my brother. Monday Asuke for Vienna, make I talk am. Monday Asuke for Vienna, where they cash for human trafficking that year. Now he carry a wife come legally. He carry her come legally. They deport your Simon. They deport him? No. They don't deport him. After they file the case, Monday Asuke go small prison. They release him. He did for Vienna there. You Simon get Africa shop. More they talk true.
Ivie, I bet me I could talk this one make a move.
I told you why don't buy Austria okay.
See, he get question. He get question when you no get ask him yesterday. He get question when you ask him yesterday. Now they are telling us say wait till she they talk. Everything and line and black men are emotional. So let you ask one question. You know get ask one question. Say you don't know say they up. You know get ask a question. Say you know get ask a question. Say wait till your husband do when be say he go prison. They prison is then. He said she said she don't know. He don't know. He can't waka come me the matter. He don't come for this thing like that. He come for
Nigeria. Is that because we get small problem with the baby mama?
You understand me? So, no, wait, no. He come no. They asked him yesterday. Go this. He come the deep. He said, "What your husband really do that woman? Wait till be that." He said, "No. You when you there for the."
Send me a letter talk. When she dey lie, she don't want to tell me. The truth go come out.
When mama, you when mama not let her. Mama, you when come out the boy come off her for mama. Mama want to
go for that Vienna. I'll go investigate her.
Not be Vienna, not be Vienna, not be here, not be here na grat. I be not here.
That's not Vienna, she do.
No, not be Vienna, na grat. Not be Vienna, na grat.
No, that's not mama there for grat, Abi.
I said the guy na grat, not be Vienna, na grat. Listen to what you talk now. No, not be Vienna, grat. This guy no fit happen for Vienna now. You know say I say KO don't carry the matter. KO come the turn and say make it carry come out. I be me and I know say that KO family no do my way.
Know the husband and the girl. Maybe I know their family.
Wait,
the girl, the
put this if you feel listening. If you feel listening small, see and when you know wait, listen to them.
People are wicked. All they want to do is to useless the white people, useless all that have documents, and then dump us, go and bring another woman from
India. No, me, I don't play at this. I don't play.
You say so? Now what happen be that it don't work. They don't that
you know,
man Austria confess.
You know, I'm sorry for the woman, but the truth, mom would they talk truth. Austria go just deport. I mean, you know how many women will be say their husband can't come from Nigeria to Austria? Why she not bring tell the truth? Great matter enter. The man not they pay child benefits. Many things they inside. All are they. Don't do. Nah, they won't even deport the man. The man is on the run. But I say my brother, you there? The man now is on the run. They won't even deport the man, according to what the woman said. They won't even deport the man. Something must be wrong. Not be Germany with them. Where be said I say this woman not be single mother. Oh. The husband say they work. Oh, you think say na so it just happen. Austria, you don't hear family where Austria you deport like that. See, now say tomorrow not day. You know they saw.
Mama.
Why do we have no Austria?
Mama,
good evening, my brother.
Now good evening, my brother. Now me still do. As in the thing shocked me. When I heard that matter, me myself called the fear. So Austria called the deport just like that. Without any good reasons. You know that what me believe say maybe that man get picking with that Oyibo, then the man not they pay child support. Now all those things join where they take deport them as in where they want to deport that man and his wife go out. Because if you they pay child support for picking where Oyibo won't give you, me I not see any reason why they will deport you go out. So the thing you're just strange for waiting that woman explain yesterday. Just as say Enoge no fit answer question. No, just they talk. Say,
that to you now. You say it be like say, not be say it be like say, oh, the man not they pay child support. the pikin where the Oyibo born for and they suffer. And the man, they claim, I have a wife, yo. I have 3 children. I know if you take care of the one Oyibo born for me. I know they receive a lot. Now the man, they used it for how many years? For how many years? Nah. You see, you get them, they be done, they be government. They can't carry torchlight, follow them. Now this one take happen so. The man know they pay child support, my brother. Oh my son, he was claiming the government where a government yo, I know they receive so much yo. I was okay. Ana kina no sa me wana me we do bala me. Obala me we here mage. Official name. How you fisher work fishery?
Emi no was no one here.
Matter
Emi no was no one because they don't say okay, what is the need of you there in this country? You know they pay your picking child support. There is no need, so more just deport and go as more just they pay the money they go and you know pay child support. You leave their own person. Can't go bring black woman come for Africa say now your wife, now your children and they be mumu. Then the one way you do for the side, you can't carry work, give them what they pay for you. Yeah, go work. You don't go work now.
And they will not in Austria. Austria may Germany. Austria go and go about. Yeah, back. If your body our una memo. 110 euro, be 105 euro. Yeah, we are pay vono by effect. Yeah, why have you on in there? Obun, you ever know you are going. Yeah, be on in there. Then you have your chat, Matia, maybe over here. Yeah, 18 years, I pay 150 euro or 4.
Hey, one. So the thing guy.
Hey, no, think where my brother, who are a deported with Germany. It's so very time at all. What do I say, Nana? Yeah, get a deport, I'm not deported with Germany now. If you ever not even Gina, never that situation, or never situation where you be me how you be me or me beo, you're not deporting with Germany. Ever need no me better any amuha. Only you create on her ye because here time at time no year deporting here. Or you don't think just carry you like that. There must be a reason for it. Who go against the law, one way or the other. I time matter. The Maria play a pity party. I a pity party ya with me ya. Our time no J. You understand the member, Baba?
Ivie.
You go more than our deport tonight. How those people where they put money for that place?
That me no say that. If you are
why you go the same money they give women where they get picking for gym, you don't burn the chop. See what
that money. Oga Aladian was gang. Go male. Ona Aladian, yaga see ona Aladian was gang. Moruwe shupa funi Aladian was gang. Ya be the gang, you know be Ladian.
Someone land there.
Oga Aladian was gang.
Okay.
Oga Arios gang.
They no one more boss. Here where child benefit deba because for many years of my pay no money.
Me they ask now. Wait me year now. Waiting at Tanawe or renew in a marrié bene. So what it cost?
Because of my pay child benefit, you say we there.
Mema. Betty vie in kakabo. Betty me de bo bien on that. But the husband is very decent person. Wa mi egun, wa mi money. Egun. I don't know anything about Okimoto, but he's a decent man. Winner. And I'm just saying
let me tell you now. Gubeta mo ino sunu. My baby, what am I ni what turner? You see where omona nebo biene. Obi oha o no mo be nwane okpe omoni o ma na be nwagbe o be say that kind 12-13 years in it for instance what I be oni and omona nia since 12-15 years o ti mana ma pay no mona there o ma child benefit no mona. Do you understand what I'm saying? A government of amuyo bokana ade. Then a government is a pay. Adam They listen more than they listen. Now Austria, they tell you so. Government don't pay. Now so it still be for Germany. Unless the people will not know. Why I understand it. Government don't they pay for the picking. Since maybe the picking don't reach 13 years old, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe she don't pass. Government don't pay for 13 years. Nah, the Oibona now went to you get out. You understand? They complain, say, this man, he dey una all muwae. Oh, when I am okay, Nigeria bena. Only one way to work. In amigo, a family number amigo. A boy na me make no amigo. Obawa warning where na I mean na how much they receive this one. All boy I win a venic as in less hour. You understand what I'm saying? Now making a SAT warning because you already get 3 children. Now 1 from Nigeria and 2 where they born for here. You understand? So they don't do and government don't tire. They don't write a letter. They don't carry and go court. You get and don't carry and go court. They don't make and go prison. If they go prison for grape, if they go prison for child benefit. So the thing we just there here be say, I think Congo renew. They not give them again. Now they wala for support. Why they not give them the paper? Why they not renew for them? Now because of the child benefit where they pay. If you are close to any Austrian, ask them this thing where I talk so. Because it's betrug. They see this man as a betruger. The man, according to them now, to the government, the man is just being wicked. He don't want to pay that picking. He just want to abandon that picking for them. They know the way they
I was saying, man, I made the man, okay? But the man get documents.
Women in the quota, we are not me. He said they collect them.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, Tina. I want you to get back at Bene. Eva Gunu, eh? I want to tell you when you your pay. Oh, they never babble.
Unuetina.
I want to tell you 100 years. What your power?
Oh, what that? Because I got money.
Because of Tina character. Hey, you boy, now when the boy heavy Tina.
Super.
Vie.
Oh, como? I want to make all the bar. Here with you. Ivie akale yafu. Help back. Anyway.
Emi no see ni amadi na see zebe or that Tina. Tina we lega eto wowa. No ya last time man winner. No money bobi ene na pay alimete. Na see document oge.
Austria can keep